The power of energy, how to harness it to manifest the reality you desire. Everything around you is energy, from the chair you're sitting on to the thoughts and feelings you experience. Energy is all there is. It cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transformed and redirected into different forms. This universal law means that we have the power to shape, shift, and influence the energy that surrounds us. You are not just a body existing in a physical world. You are made up of energy, living in a universe where everything vibrates. This means that you have the ability to send and receive energy. Stick around until the end, and together we'll explore how you can harness this incredible force to manifest the reality you desire. Aristotle once said, "The energy of the mind is the essence of life." Life itself vibrates, and nothing in nature is idle. Every living thing moves, every sound and color vibrates at its own frequency. Even the ancient Egyptians understood the vibrational nature of reality. Hermes Trismegistus recorded that many ancient designs and structures actually reflect the patterns of sound vibrations, and when these sound vibrations are played, they are music we recognize. For instance, 432 Hz frequency is well known for its harmonious, calming properties, but every hertz or frequency carries a unique vibration. Life is vibration, and so is the mind and matter. All forces are vibrations. You can call this energy the universe, life force, or God, it's all the same. By recognizing this, you begin to see that your physical body is not separate from this energy. In fact, your body, mind, and spirit are all interwoven into this vast energetic field. This awareness allows you to understand that the creative force of life flows through every part of your being, constantly renewing and revitalizing you, from the smallest atom to the most complex thought. The moment you connect with this knowledge, you tap into an endless well of energy that you can use to create, heal, and transform your life. The Buddha taught that anything that arises in the mind is reflected as sensations within the body. Everything in the universe vibrates at its own frequency, including you. And these frequencies are influenced by your thoughts, emotions, experiences, and even the people around you. The energy you emit, consciously or unconsciously, forms your aura, and it directly affects your mental and physical state. In the teachings of Ascended Master Saint Germain, it is said that raising your vibration and frequency is key to transforming any area of your life. Whether it's healing a disease, attracting abundance, or even transcending physical limitations, your vibration plays a central role. Saint Germain encouraged us to declare to the universe, "I am. I am life. I am God. I am." When you speak these words with conviction, they raise your frequency and create a resonance with the energy of the universe, enabling you to manifest your desires and access higher states of consciousness. Understanding the power of energy starts with recognizing your body as a sophisticated quantum physics apparatus. On the most fundamental level, the human body is composed of cells, which are made of atoms. These atoms are essentially probability waves of energy. Most of what we perceive as solid matter is actually empty space, meaning that we are more vibration than physical mass. This realization is profound because it means that vibrational energy influences us deeply, sometimes without us even realizing it. Your thoughts play a crucial role in shaping your reality. Throughout history, many philosophers have explored the relationship between the mind and the world we perceive. One perspective suggests that thoughts operate like magnets, attracting experiences that resonate with their vibrational frequency. Although Immanuel Kant didn't directly discuss the law of attraction, his work suggests that the mind actively shapes the reality we perceive. In his view, our mental framework serves as a lens through which we interpret our experiences. Essentially, our thoughts are active participants in constructing our reality. Eastern philosophy also emphasizes the power of the mind. Lao Tzu, the ancient Chinese philosopher, taught that maintaining a positive and harmonious mindset allows individuals to flow with life's challenges and attract positive experiences. His wisdom is captured in the idea, "Watch your thoughts, they become words." Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. By being mindful of our thoughts and emotions, we have the ability to shape our destiny. Through the use of affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, we can consciously cultivate positive thought patterns and align our energy with the reality we want to create. Philosophers such as Jean-Paul Sartre and Aristotle supported the idea of taking responsibility for shaping our own experiences. Sartre, in particular, emphasized that we are condemned to be free and must actively shape our reality through the choices we make. This mirrors the concept of like attracts like, a principle that governs vibrational energy. If you focus on what you want with clarity and conviction, you begin to attract people, experiences, and opportunities that resonate with your vibration. But if you're consumed by what's lacking in your life, you vibrate at that frequency, and the universe has no choice but to reflect more of that lack back to you. This is why self-awareness and mindfulness are so important. Different thoughts, emotions, and feelings all carry their own unique vibrational frequencies. Thoughts alone are powerful forms of energy, and when combined with emotions and feelings, they create a force that resonates within the universe. For instance, the word love emits a much higher vibrational frequency than the word hate. Peace carries a higher vibration than worry. And speaking or even thinking the name of God can produce one of the highest energy frequencies, while thinking the name of Satan invokes one of the lowest. Plato's ancient philosophy suggests that the soul is divided into three parts: reason, spirit, and appetite, which are in constant interplay. These internal struggles mirror the different frequencies of energy that make up our human experience. Philosophers like Albert Camus also recognized the importance of finding meaning and maintaining a positive state of mind despite life's challenges. His concept of existential rebellion encourages us to live with joy and purpose even in the face of life's absurdities. This idea can be compared to the way positive emotions create high-frequency vibrations, helping us stay resilient and optimistic. Conversely, the low-frequency vibrations of negative emotions, like fear and anger, can block our progress. This idea of emotional mastery also resonates with the teachings of Stoicism, particularly the writings of Seneca, who taught the importance of maintaining inner peace regardless of external circumstances. Negative emotions disturb the natural flow of energy within us, whereas emotional resilience helps us maintain high vibrations. Seneca's advice was to confront adversity with calmness and reason, which is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. In modern times, quantum physicists like David Bohm offer scientific perspectives that align with these ancient philosophical ideas. Bohm's theory of the implicate order suggests that our visible reality is just a surface manifestation of deeper, interconnected forces. This idea echoes the belief that vibrational frequencies influence the reality we experience. The connection between mind and body is also crucial in raising our vibrational frequency. Physical well-being has a significant impact on our ability to maintain high vibrations. A healthy body allows energy to flow freely, enhancing both mental clarity and spiritual alignment. Physical health is not just about survival, it's about optimizing our existence. Regular physical exercise is one of the simplest ways to raise your vibration. When you move your body, you release stagnant energy and invite in new, vibrant energy. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet also plays an important role in this process. The food we eat has its own vibrational frequency, and consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods fuels our bodies with the energy needed to sustain higher vibrations. It's not just about feeding the body, it's about feeding the energy field that surrounds and penetrates our being. Sleep is another crucial component. It's during rest that the body repairs itself, both physically and energetically. The quality of our rest determines how well we can function during our waking hours. This is why making time for mindfulness practices, hobbies, or spending time in nature is essential. It's not just self-care, it's necessary for maintaining the balance of energy in our lives. We must look at our well-being holistically. It's not enough to exercise occasionally or eat well every now and then. We must adopt a lifestyle that supports our energy flow every day. Think of it as a river. When the river is clear and unobstructed, it flows effortlessly. But when there's debris in the way, the water stagnates, and life suffers. The same is true for us. When we are healthy, energized, and balanced, we are better able to navigate the challenges life presents. So, how can you raise your vibrational frequency and maintain it over time? There are many tools available, and they don't require any special skills or resources. Meditation is one of the most effective ways to quiet the mind and connect with your inner energy. It reduces stress, opens the mind, and helps clear blockages that may be preventing you from achieving your goals. Energy healing modalities like Reiki, acupuncture, and sound healing are other powerful ways to raise your vibration. These practices recognize the subtle energy that flows through our bodies and use specific techniques to restore balance and harmony. Even something as simple as spending time in nature can elevate your frequency. Nature is one of the purest forms of energy, and connecting with it, whether by hiking, walking in a park, or sitting by a tree, can recharge your energy field and raise your vibration. Affirmations and visualization are also important tools. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and focusing on what you want, you reprogram your subconscious mind and align your vibration with your desires. Visualizing your goals as if they've already happened and speaking affirmations aloud reinforces this alignment, making it easier for the universe to respond to your energy. Ultimately, raising your vibration is not a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine and staying mindful of your thoughts and emotions, you can continually raise your vibration and attract the life you desire. It's about being fully present in each moment, appreciating the beauty around you, and staying open to the positive energy that flows through everything. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found value in what we've discussed, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more insights on living a high vibration.